Eating a sardines directly out from the can is delicious, but cooking a sardines with egg are more flavored taste and delicious. This canned sardines has a type of fish which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce the risk of heart disease which can lower blood pressure and cholesterol level. It has also a vitamin D and vitamin B12 that needed in our body. Sardines with egg is cheaper alternatives of having a meals than eating a beef, chicken, and pork. Cooking the sardines with egg is also a perfect solution for quick, easy, and effortless cooking. Everybody can do it on how to cook the sardines with egg because it has only 2 ingredients. This is my easy tips on how to cook the sardines with egg. 1. Prepare the seasoning, egg, and sardines. 2. Wash the pot properly, and put a very small amount of water instead of oil. 3. Add the correct amount of seasoning into the water, and stir. Remember that you do not add more seasoning, because the sardines have already sauce flavored, and have natural salt. 4. Put the eggs into the water. Then, mix together until the white egg yolk and yellow egg yolk was mixed. 5. Open the sardines, and slightly mix together in the pot. Do not make hard mix, so that the fish sardines will not turn into small pieces. 6. Open the burner, and put the pot over the fire. 7. Always cover the pot to have even cook, and wait until it reach on the desired cook. 8. Open the pot cover, and make a flavored test. 9. Switch off immediately the fire, if you satisfy the taste of your recipe, and transfer the sardines with egg into the serving plate for your meal preparation. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.